Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy intellectual property protection with USPTO, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what intellectual property is and why it's important. Familiarize yourself with the different types of intellectual property, such as patents, trademarks, and copyrights. Visit the official USPTO website at www.uspto.gov. Create an account on the USPTO website if you haven't done so already. Access the resources available for beginners to learn about the process of protecting your intellectual property. Determine what type of protection you need based on your creation. If you're looking to protect an invention, research the patent application process. For trademarks, identify the name or logo you want to protect. Conduct a search through the USPTO's trademark electronic search system to ensure your trademark isn't already taken. If you're protecting a creative work, understand the process involved in copyright registration. Gather the necessary information and documentation required for your application. Complete the appropriate application form available on the USPTO website. Double-check all entries for accuracy before submission. Submit your application online and pay the required fees. After submission, monitor the status of your application through your USPTO account. Be prepared to respond to any office actions or requests for additional information from the USPTO. Once your application is approved, you will receive the necessary documentation confirming your protection. Remember to enforce your rights and monitor for any potential infringement. Stay informed about the renewal processes and deadlines associated with your intellectual property. Utilize USPTO's resources and tools to ensure continued protection for your intellectual property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.